Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a really nice Christmas tree ornament out of a pine cone. And this is what it looks like. Alright, so first you're going to gather up some pine cones for free. Yes, you can buy pine cones, but it's really not necessary because pine trees are just about everywhere. And all you have to do is look for them and gather them. If you look around, there are pine trees everywhere. You just have to open your eyes and look. Pine trees on the side of the road. If you look underneath these trees, you'll find some pine cones. Pine cones on the road. Those are all up for grabs. Look, there's pine cones in the gutter. Look at all of these pine cones on the road and on the sidewalk. It's just crazy. This is my favorite place to get pine cones from. Like, there's two pine trees right here. And I like to just park right here, this shopping center. Look at this right here on the ground. If you just look around, there's all of these pine cones up for grabs. You just pick them up, gather them up. Look at that, all of these pine cones on the ground. These are free. Pine cones down there. Pick them up. Look, there's even some, even some right here. Once you get your pine cone, you are going to drill a hole down the bottom, and then you're going to screw this little eyelet hook into the bottom of the pine cone. And actually, most of these materials I got at Walmart for very cheap. So I got these at Walmart for 97 cents. I got these ornament hooks for 98 cents. And I got the ribbon. The ribbon was $1.48. And they have other nice ribbons for about $1. And these hooks, when I bought them, they were all silver, but I thought, you know what, I'm painting my pine cones gold. I might as well just lay these out and paint them the same color so they match. And everything becomes gold too when you paint it. All right, so once you get your hook screwed into the back of your pine cone, it's ready to be painted. This is the paint that I used. It's a gold paint. You can use any gold paint that you have or want, but I use the spray paint. If you want, you can hand paint these, but that's up to you. It just might take more time. And when you paint it, you can either just lay these flat and paint them and let them dry and then turn them and then paint them. You can do at least 2 coats of the gold if you use the spray paint. The more coats you use, the more gold and shiny it will become. Another thing that you could do is you can use one color on the inside. Here I used a red spray paint, and a little trick if you don't want to lay them down, or you could stand them up if they will stand up. I just used a toilet paper roll and I just placed it on top, and I sprayed the color in a downward direction going around, getting the inside of the pine cone. And then when that dried, I just turned it over. And then same thing, I spray painted the gold in a downward direction, spraying it on the outside of the pine cone. And then to get the tip, once that's dry, you can just lay it flat and spray towards the tip to get the outside edge. And this is the result that you will get if you decide to use color. Another thing you can do, if you don't want to use a color on the inside, it would still look really nice if you just left it a natural brown on the inside and then just spray the outside gold. That would look nice if you want to have different colors. Or you could just spray the entire pine cone gold, and that will look really nice. No matter what you do, as long as you use the gold, it's going to look really beautiful. While I was painting, I decided I wanted to make these hooks match because they were silver. So I just spray painted those also gold. And then I turned them over and then painted the other side. And that's all there was to it. Okay, so once you're to this point where your paint is dry, then you can tie a little ribbon on the end to make a cute little bow. These are some ribbons that I bought from Walmart. And there's just different sizes. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna cut off a piece of ribbon and you're gonna feed it through your hook, through the eye, and then just get the ends even and tie a knot. How pretty it is already. And then tie your bow. Look, that's it. And then just take your cute little hook. I got these from Walmart. And hook it on there. When I was buying these hooks, a woman who was shopping in the ornament section also told me she actually has these in gold. They came in gold when she bought them. So if you're lucky enough to already find them in gold, that is great. Oops, the hook got caught on the ribbon. I'll just work it in there. There you go. And that's that. That's your cute little Christmas tree ornament. They're so cute. And like I said, you don't have to use the same exact gold ribbon. Any type of ribbon that you can find would be really cute. Even if you want to use a different color, a red ribbon, a red glittery ribbon would look really cute with a gold pine cone. If you wanted to use a red and gold pine cone, you could use a cute little red glittery ribbon with that, and that would look really darling. That's all there is to it. I hope you give it a try, and have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye everyone.